to my channel. So first off, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying blessed. Secondly, can you guys believe it's already December? Like, sis, 2018, where is 2018 running to? Like, I'm not sure. So if you can find her, like, can you ask her for me? Because she's already gone. I swear, it's already 2019. But, you know, I thank God for all of us making it to this day of this year. And I'm super excited because it is holiday season, meaning that it is time for some holiday glam. So I thought, what a better way to usher us into this season with this cute cranberry chocolate feel red lips type of look that was inspired by the Teaira Walker. Okay, so girl, if you ever watched this video, I'm a fan. I'm a big fan, and I love the look that she did. She posted a video of a look just like this on her Instagram. And I was scrolling through and I was like, oh my god, that's so simple and so beautiful. And so I decided to recreate it. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, I know I just did like a smoky eye, but you know, there's still a charm about this particular look, especially because of the festive and holiday period. Okay, so keep on watching if you want to see how I achieved this look.
Hello, it's me.
To tell y'all I'm sorry that I'm about to murder this look, okay? So we're gonna get up close and personal again, because I think a lot of you guys liked when I kind of zoomed in a little bit and showed you guys a little bit more detail with my eye look. So we're going to be doing that again. I'm gonna take my Age Rewind concealer just to help prime my eyes. Okay, so next we're gonna delve into the who can guess the palette. Oh wait, yeah, I know you guys probably thought I was gonna go into the Jimmy Charles palette, but I bet you guys are kind of tired of it. I'm not really tired of it though, but I think I can explore some more palettes now. I think you guys get the point. I'm obviously still going to reach back into the palette. For right now, it's definitely one of my faves just because of the color combinations and all the colors it has. Multiple variety, but today I'm actually going to go into my Ray Ray palette. This is a collabo with BH Cosmetics, okay? So I'm going to go in with Brownie Bite, which is this like darker brown right here. That fallout was extensive. Alright, let's do it. So we're just going to pop. Whoa, okay. I am not complaining about this brown. Whoa, okay, but then it kind of looks black. Kind of looks black, you guys. Let me hope that when I smoke it out, it will stop looking black. Because it's a dark chocolate brown, but it looks black. Okay, so the same rule applies for this smoky eye like it did the last. Pretty much, you just want to make sure that you don't let the color you put on your mobile lids crawl up above your crease. Okay? Because if not, it's going to look too messy and too smoky and too ugly. We don't like ugly. Nobody likes ugly. So now that we have that, I'm going to go into my the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. And I feel like I haven't used this palette in forever. But pretty much I'm going to be going into Ada, which is this color right here. I'm going to use this one to kind of, ooh, yes, Lord. So start opening up that transition area. Just adding some color. So right now I'm actually not even going in and blending them together. I'm literally just applying that Ada to right above my crease and creating that transition color. So next, into the same palette, I'm gonna go in with Zulu. And I'm gonna try to use that to blend the two together. I kind of like Zulu because it's a lot like warmer and lighter than this other brown, and I feel like it'll help to pull the two together. So let's hope it works. feel like Zulu's disappearing on me. But I think she's doing the trick slowly but surely. Because if you see look at these two. Can you guys see what Zulu is doing or no? I can see it, like a little bit. So right now I'm placing Zulu literally kind of on my crease. So it's blending in the two colors exactly. So the brush is getting a blend of both and it's just like the perfect balance. Pretty much this is all for the chocolate brown eyes, nothing else. And then she also went ahead and smoked out the bottom with the same like burgundy shade. Okay, so I'm gonna line my eyes with this Black Radiance Kajal liner. And then now I'm just going to go ahead and use my favorite mascara for my bottom lashes, which is the Butterfly Sculpt. Okay. I use nothing else in my lashes, so I'm going in with the Laura Seller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. Gilded Honey. That's the name. Ooh. Sounds so pleasurable and it looks so pigmented. I've never used this before, so I'm actually really excited. I saw this at Ulta and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna have that. Okay, so we're gonna dip into it. Ooh, so nice. And then we're just going to apply it. You know what? I'm going to use a more precise applicator for that area right there. That's pretty. It kind of looks like more of a glitter. I don't know. I expected more, I'm not gonna lie. Let me try it on my face first before I duck it completely though. And for my lashes today, I'm actually going to be using the Nina Pear from the Lash Box. These are one of my faves actually, so we're gonna put them back on. Alright, so to highlight today, we're gonna go back into the Laura Seller and we're just going to see how that looks. Okay, this is cute. It gives me more of like a really subtle but, you know, nice. It's almost like a natural glow. Pretty much a natural glow. I think that's what it is. However, natural glows are really not my thing, so we'll see if we'll stick with this. For my blush, I'm going to go into my Dare blusher, and I'm going to take this, like, the Sweet Cheeks palette. I'm going to take this color right here. It's kind of like a burgundy as well, or like a, I don't know, a brownish burgundy color. I'm just going to use a little bit of that too as my blush. Okay. Yes, I think I'm definitely feeling the glaze now. Okay, so for my lips, since I'm always using the exact same lip liner, I went out and I bought the NYX lip liner in the color Brown Black. It's still like a dark color, but let's see if I like this any bit as much as I like my chestnut. I mean, to be very fair, it did say Brown Black. However, I'm not seeing any of the brown. So can we both agree that I actually tried? Like, I tried to do better. So let's just top it off with a little bit of chestnut and just bring back some brown. Ah, look at that already. So now we're gonna go into the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint. I haven't used this in a while actually. Just going to apply. Oh! Oh Jesus Lord. Okay, I need something to this. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Alright, so it's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, please. Ring that bell. Subscribe to my channel. You know, invite your friends, share, comment, and follow me on all my social media platforms. And I will see you in my next one, God willing. Oh, don't forget to watch all my other videos, you guys. Okay, and let me know what all you would like to see, especially this festive period. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Stay beautiful, choose you, and God bless.